Hello everyone, this is Anvi Ishan and today we are going to install BlueJ in Windows 10. These steps can also be applied to other versions of Windows. So first, search for BlueJ. Click on the first link. Scroll down and click on Windows. The file will start downloading. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. Once it is downloaded, open the file. Click Next. Here, you can choose to install only for you or for all the users in your machine. Next, and then install. Once it is completed, click Finish. Okay, so now we have successfully installed BlueJ in Windows 10. To use it, create a project. Give it a name and a location. I am choosing the default location. In the next video, we will create a class and write our first program. If you are using a Mac or Ubuntu, check the description to know how to install BlueJ in your system. If you are facing any problems while installing BlueJ, let me know in the comments.